Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lenny, as always. And we are at the shop right now because the Civic is getting tuned today, potentially. I'm pretty sure it is. So we'll hop in there in a second. Let me grab my bag. Got Baby Yoda strapped up. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. I see Teo's here. Got the Integra out back. Moved a lot of the cars around, I see. I don't know whose Civic this is. But Tony's working hard in here. I can see that too. Very nice, very nice. But yes, hopefully this thing gets tuned today. I mean, we've been waiting for a while here, so look at that. Is she ready? Yo, are we opening a kitchen, bruh? The whole set of knives out here. Sheesh. Oh, is that our tuner? Is that content, bro? Oh shit, rolling up. Goddamn. Alrighty, today's the day. Yeah, we'll see if it blows. Oh man.
It's running. No, it's on, but it's running.
What was it not plugged in?
The main harness. Yeah,
It almost started. It almost started.
Yeah, it almost started.
Hey, started right up. Connor noticed the distributor was not plugged in. That would help, huh? Alrighty, so have some issues, but you know, we're working on it. Apparently no fuel right now, so Ruben's run off to the gas station over yonder to find himself some fuel for the for the Civic here. Yeah, it cranks over, it starts, and then it just dies. So we're gonna see what happens there. But yeah, now we just wait. Typical laptop in the passenger seat. We'll see if it blows up today. Carlo did most of the work on it himself, so really it was just tips and tricks and guidance from Ruben and tune from Con. So whew. Looks like Ruben is back. I'm sure he has gas now. Wow, Evo. We love our Evos out here. Gasolina. Evo squad. Oh, he got lazy. He's not gonna back it in. He's just gonna pull straight forward today. There we go. Trippy boys.
Alright, man.
Alright, man. Let's try this again. Let's pray to the Honda gods. Oh, yeah? Oh!
So it wasn't gas? I don't know. How long does it take for the gas to go through? Yeah.
It wants to. It's close. Was it flooded?
That's a lot of gas.
See, now it's like running.
It's chilling now. Oh shit! It's probably just flooded.
Yeah, that's right everywhere.
Carl,
Watching this, you did this.
Carlo, this is your fault.
How's everything looking on there?
Good?
Good?
It is very quiet.
Right?
I expected it to be louder.
Same here.
Yeah. always getting serious with the laptop.
That's probably gonna be the first thing to go though, because these are shit. Yeah.
Look at those welds.
That's great.
Jay's here. You are good there. Ooh, what you got? Ooh, nice.
Some control.
That's fat, dude.
I know, right?
Those are thick. Holy. Had to push the Civic inside because it started raining outside here. Gonna go ahead and start up my Evo real quick as well. I'm gonna move in there so that Jay can help me restore my headlight. But I'm gonna move the Subaru, pull the Civic out, and it's pretty much just made for the streets at this point. I mean, it's time for them to go. Get that tune on. Oh man. So quiet. I thought it was going to be a lot louder than it is. Yeah, you guys can see, I think you guys have seen before, that these are kind of, you know, beat up a little bit. There's some fade and scratching and stuff, so maybe we can clean them up a little bit there. This one's a lot better than the other side, but I'd still like to have them both kind of looking pretty fire, so. And flying in. There they are. God damn. Yo, this side looks brand new. Look at how shiny that is. And then this side is like, most of the yellowing is gone. And you could definitely see a lot better in here now. That's fire. Heck yeah. How's it feel?
Feels amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think he's gonna be happy with it.
Dang. Alrighty, here we go.
Quick pull or lunch?
Whatever you want to do. Did it? There you go. Welcome.
I'm gonna have to adjust the throttle cable because it's like hanging up.
Okay. So we got some little things to iron through, but should be Gucci after that. God, this thing rattles like a motherfucker. Every little piece on this car is rattling right now. Everything. Oh
Oh man.
Feels good though. That launch, definitely fun. Oh yeah, well you know it's still low. Fire. Pull up these windows. It's starting to rain a little bit.
Break in the clutch.
Oh, okay.
He was like, "Is this a brand new clutch?" I was like, "Yeah, there's no miles on it." So he's like, "Okay, we're gonna set it low and we're gonna put miles on it." And then he's like, "We can turn it up to like 18 whenever you're ready." Yeah.
Oh, bro, I'm hyped. Hey, so did everything go good besides the whole gas issue?
Yeah, and there was a fuel leak, but I fixed that before I got here.
Okay, I'm ready.